I was gaming the other day, and I realized, man, is my computer slow. But I thought, I don't have a lot of money. What am I going to do? Am I going to go out and buy a new gaming rig? Am I going to build my own computer? Why don't I try and upgrade? So I went out and I looked at some budget parts that I can put in my computer. Now behind me, you're going to see my trusty HP Pavilion 500-118. This baby is rocking i5 processor, 4th gen, 4570, 3.2 gigahertz, 4 cores. It's not a bad processor actually, but this guy is running a GeForce 635. This little bad boy right here. Not very impressive. So I thought, why don't I put a new graphics card, a new solid state hard drive, and of course, a new power supply to power my solid state hard drive, and my new graphics card. So I went out and I bought this Radeon RX 570 from MSI, twin fan. This is the box that it came in. Look at the size difference. Look at the size difference here. This is my old power supply. I went out and I bought the Corsair VS5550 80 plus power supply. Then I finished it off with my Evo 800 500 gigabyte solid state drive. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. How did I get this from this? Big size difference. I made some minor alterations to the inside of my computer. Actually, I think I turned it into a bit of a Frankenstein. So here is my old graphics card. And there's my new graphics card. So if you look what I had to do, I know, cable management, not my forte. Is that duct tape? Yes, it is. This baby runs perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna try and play on high settings, on epic settings, with my new graphics card, and we'll see how this goes with my shooting for 60 frames per second at 1080p. Looks pretty good so far. You know, I'm hoping that it's not too laggy on my recording.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello, my brother. I got my little brother.